So in our fourth lab, we had to characterize our given dart launcher by shooting only in the vertical direction. We then had to build a setup for adjusting the angle of the dart to hit a target at some distance. For this experiment, we were given a dart launcher, some Lego, a ruler, and a protractor. Firstly, we had to find the average height of Y. We did this by shooting the dart up into the air and measuring how high it went. We did this for quite a few times and got 0.9 meters as the average height. But later on we noticed that the uncertainty in this measurement was too great. So we went back and shot the dart into the air 10 times and used the slow motion on a camera to give us a more accurate result with a smaller uncertainty measurement. So our average height was 1.172 meters with a measurement uncertainty of 0.005 meters, giving us a maximum amount of 1.177 meters and a minimum amount of 1.167 meters. After finding the height, we then used this formula to calculate the velocity of y. We calculated velocity to be 4.79 meters per second with maximum value of 4.803 meters per second and a minimum value of 4.783 meters per second. So after this, we figured out which formula we needed to calculate the angle. So we went and got the distance we needed to hit the target at, which was 2.10 meters, and put it into this formula. We did some rearranging, which you can see, so that we could find the angle, which was 31.82 degrees, with a maximum value of 31.53 degrees and a minimum value of 32.08 degrees. We then built the setup for the dart launcher to freely adjust the angle, then took it down to the launch pad. We used the protractor to try and get the angle as correct as possible, and then we fired, missing the target by less than a centimeter, and missing out on a whole plate of muffins. So that concludes the projectile motion experiment. Thanks for watching.